mama paying all your bills, you the buster. Even though she working 9 to 5, she still a hustler. Yeah, that means she running things. Like you want me looking nice, they don't want the same old bro. You got $1 in your pocket, 20 in your wallet. I'm taking money, man. I think I just I get big. You ain't gotta look money. You ain't gotta look money. Your mama know I'm in her city and I'm out here looking pretty, getting money to the silly. I'm the diary on my daddy. What she say? She like, Daddy, get that. Oh, girl, yeah, I like the way you get that. Girl, you know I'm pretty, so we feeling pretty for a simulator. And I hit her with it. What she say?
Daddy, get that. Oh, girl, yeah, I like the way he did that.
Y'all, it's back to school week here on 106 & Park. So today we have some audience members competing against each other in a game called Throw It in the Bag. Now the winning team will get some 106 & Park book bags filled with all types of goodies. So what are y'all gonna get to hook up right now? Team number 1 just scored. That's scored real well with that. Team number 1 scored 17 points right now. Yeah. Nice job. We have team number 2 on the stage right now. We have the beautiful Ashley over here to my left-hand side. And we have Julian. This is not your best look right here, but we're going to roll with it. He's over here on my right-hand side. Now, they have 30